Hi, I'm Aaron, Digital Literacy Librarian at the Oshawa Public Libraries. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get set up and get reading CloudLibrary eBooks on your iPhone or your iPad. The first thing we'll do to get you set up and reading CloudLibrary eBooks is we'll open up the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Having done that, I'll search for CloudLibrary in the App Store to find the CloudLibrary app and tap the download button next to the app listing when I'm ready to download. With that downloaded, I can now click Open to start the app. I'll tap the CloudLibrary logo once it opens. And you can see I'm now asked if I want notifications from the app. Whether you choose to enable notifications is up to you, but I'll tap Allow. You can choose to go through the tour if you like, but since we're already kind of doing a tour, I'm going to skip it for now. And to log into the app, we'll choose our region and library first, so it knows to log into the Oshawa Public Libraries collection. And we'll need your library card number and password for library login. Your library card number will be a number beginning with 29364, which is located on your card. And if you don't know your PIN, you can contact the library at 905-579-6111 to receive or reset that. If you don't yet have a library card, on the other hand, you can sign up for one on our homepage. Entering those values, we log in successfully. And the first thing we see is a listing of available ebooks and e-audiobooks also available to us. Before I start browsing, though, I'm actually going to tap the Filter button in the upper right. This gives me the option to sort and filter my results based on the kind of items I'm interested in. The most important thing that lets me do is select items that are available now. If I'm looking to find items I can check out right away, I can do that. That'll be useful here, so I'll select the Available Now option to see what I can get right away. And now that all these books are things I can check out right now, I'll select one and tap Borrow to check it out. And once it's checked out, I can just hit Read to start reading. From within the book, I can browse by swiping my finger back and forth left and right across the screen. And most ebooks are structured pretty much like print books, so you'll usually find a title page and sometimes a table of contents at the start, as well as even a few blank pages sometimes. But right now, I'm going to tap the screen to open up the menu and change some settings. You can set the color of the screen if you like, and you can tap the large and small A icons to make the text bigger or smaller, as well as choose a font if there's a particular style of font you prefer. And that's CloudLibrary from the Oshawa Public Libraries. You can find us online at www.oshlib.ca or reach us via phone at 905-579-6111 if you have any questions. Hope your next read's a great one.